everybody, welcome to the MakeCode Arcade Livestream. My name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
Yes, that makes me Richard, at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
And I might be Shannon, at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
And today we are doing everybody's favorite tier lists.
Well, we're kind of doing everything everybody's, like, the tool to find everybody's favorite.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to make, classic tier list thing where you have like the categories and you have stuff, you drag and drop them, and maybe we'll make the categories resize based on the number of items inside them. We'll see. But in the meantime, we're just going to see how far we get if we run as fast as we can. And first I need to decide how we're going to make the tier list items, because there's not a great way to do tuples. Should I just make two lists, do you think? Because I want to have the image.
So the best way to do that, in my opinion, is you add your favorite extension, and then you make a function that takes in blank, 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 and then returns the sprite.
Yeah, okay. Let's get it out of the way early today. What time is it? It's time for Arcade Sprite Data. Maybe the speediest runs of Arcade Sprite Data ever. Have we ever recorded this early? Hey, what are you working on? Great question, web hatters. We're making a tier list maker. Because yesterday we were trying to find a tier list for like different kinds of nuts, because I like pecans and I hate cashews, and apparently that's a controversial opinion.
So we're making lists of tiers. Like really weepy tears, like extra salty ones, tears for like happiness, tears for sadness.
Yeah. So my dream is to have categories that will resize depending on how many items are in it, but I can see how that's like, a big ask. So we'll just see how far we get. And also
I was going to say, Shannon and I are going to be doing our own collections of objects to be ranked.
Oh, we are? Okay.
Yeah.
Didn't you hear Vivian say that?
No, she said she said she would have arrays at the beginning of the game, so anybody could populate their own tiers of things. I didn't realize we were also doing this.
But I want to do yours. And also you at home, if you have things that you want us to categorize into the best and the worst, let us know. Maybe I'll make a temporary one first, which will be like maybe fruits. We'll have
so time Shannon, to use our Sprite pack extension if it was functional.
Oh, it would be, yes. Shannon, please message me what category or thing you're making though, so we don't do the same one.
Message me yours. I have no idea, so you should message me yours, and then I'll.
Richard, tell me.
Oh, it's a secret.
What?
Yeah, it's a surprise.
What's the one you're doing, Vivian? Wait.
I'm doing fruits.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
So it's, straightforward. We've already talked about this on stream before.
And canonically, Vivian likes fruits.
I do like fruit.
Yeah.
Got a cherry. Okay. Also, you should maybe set the sprite to invisible and ghost to increase performance. Which sprite? I think I'm going to make sprites for all the different tiers, so that we can do like overlaps with it. Oh yeah, for these sprites, I'm gonna actually make like the items that you drag around. So, okay, cherry. Okay, so my sprite. Oh, then never mind. Okay, yeah. So how big should each card be? So each item's 16, and we want to be able to display the name of it. So maybe let's make them 30 by 20. Is that going to be too much? Who knows?
Vivian, outlines or no outlines?
They'll be on a background color of something. We'll make them all like tan backgrounds.
Okay.
That works for me.
Cool. And then we'll give them an outline here for the card for professionalism. I can't see past this. Okay. And then we're going to bring in Joey's excellent extension, which is DJ Wonderl Arcade-Sprite-Util. Oh, wait, that's cute. Okay, so the comment is also, I was thinking you should set the sprite image to the image, and when you hover over the item using a cursor, it says the name. I like that because then we don't have to display really long names on the cards. It's genius. So let's do that. So set item data. What data? Oh, let's rename my sprite because that's just silly. Rename it to be tier list item. Let's just call it item. I'm worried about everything being called tier list. Alt text. Let's call it alt text. Too straight. Okay, cool. And then let's, okay, so if it's 20, I guess. So it's the same. And then let's see. Oh, it's in sprite utils. Draw something to image. We're drawing the image to the item, the sprite's image. And then this item at 2, 1. I think it's 1, 1, probably. Aha. Does that look right? Sure. And then, okay. Here maybe we make the divs. Let's make a new function. It's going to be called make div. And it's gonna
Data.
Name. What?
The way you
It's
said
the tone
make
of voice you
div
were-
was with
yeah.
it was with the same cadence of when we do arcade sprite data.
I see. I'll try to keep it toned down, you know? Okay. Div. No, tier div. This is how HTML's written. New div. Okay, so we're going to make the width of the screen minus like 4. So that's 160, 156. Okay. And we'll make them, I feel like more of these should be in functions, but okay, yeah, let's put this here. How wide is this? Let's make it 20 wide. Is that too wide? That'll be fine. And then we'll make this like the color, you know? Yeah, okay, this will be like a great tier template. Okay. We're making variables. This is silly. Variable div width. Okay, div width 156. We're gonna make another one that's gonna be like category name width. This is gonna be 20. Okay, and we're gonna make an image, and then the height is gonna be 20. New variable div height 20. Okay, make a variable new div image. It's gonna be a new image that is div width, div height, and then we're going to do fill rectangle in picture at 0, 0, and the width is going to be the width is going to be category name width. Oh no, here. And then the height is it's going to be the height. And this has
Just to be clear, Vivian,
Yeah.
you are doing divs.
I am doing divs. Why? What's wrong with divs?
Oh no, it's just a lot.
I think it will be more straightforward than you think.
Okay.
I don't know if that's true. You know, we just gotta believe, Richard.
I believe.
Okay. I believe too. This does not scare me. We're gonna get it done in less than 50 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna make a div. Oh yeah, okay, also we have to write the name to it. That's not a thing we can do, is it? Put text.
Do what?
Put text on the thing.
You can do it with like a sprite. You can do it in an image if you want.
What does that mean?
You can print it onto the image of the sprite
How?
using Joey's extension.
Joey has an extension? What is it?
Oh, wait, is it not? It's not in that one, is it?
Is it?
Oh, shoot. Ellie has one.
Oh, thank you,
Well,
Unsigned
you could do
Arduino.
text, right? And then you could. What's Unsigned?
Okay, I think Unsigned Arduino got it.
Nice. Excellent.
Adds blocks to print text. Oh my gosh, imagine if you tricked me and put the wrong name in there and that was a quarter. I would feel betrayed. I'm so glad you didn't do that.
I'm glad that you put that into the consciousness of our viewers.
Where are these magical blocks? Adds blocks. And images. Oh, okay. Print. Okay, let's do this inside div. Okay, so we're gonna print the div name. What does this mean? Okay, maybe this is new div image at 1.1. Let's make the text black for legibility. And let's make this S tier. Also, it's because I filled the rectangle afterwards. Okay. Also, I want to fill the picture. It worked. Fill the new div image with tan. Wait, no, I don't want tan. I want light purple.
I chose a category with a lot of hard things in it.
With a lot of hard things in it? Like
hard to draw things.
I see. Richard, I believe in you.
Thanks. Now I'll feel guilty when I fail.
Okay, now this is the core concept of this. Okay, it's gonna be a function. It's gonna be position children, right? And then you're gonna have a sprite, which is the parent, and then you're gonna have an array, which is the children. It'll probably work. Haven't thought it all the way through. Oh, let's make a big parent sprite. Yeah, okay, let's make another sprite. New sprite, new variable. The screen. I don't know. 160, 120. Okay. So let's call this function on the screen. And what array is it gonna be? It's gonna be all the sprites of kind div. Okay. And we're gonna have some logic. We're gonna be like, if the addition of the widths is larger than the parent widths, then we're gonna put them below each other. It's gonna be great. Okay, so okay, we're gonna have a variable, and it's gonna be current top. Yep, current top. What's it gonna be? We're gonna take these one by one. Current top is equal to the parent's top. Okay. And we're having another variable. Current left is equal to the parent's left. Okay. And now we're going to loop over all the children. And then what are we going to do? We're going to place them. Does anybody know how CSS or HTML stuff actually works?
You mean like the rendering?
Yeah. Or like, how do they position it? Is it like this? This would be incredible.
It's extremely complicated, I think. There's like a bunch of different modes of things, you know?
Okay.
There's so much stuff in CSS now, so.
Okay. Well, okay. No time to think about this right now. We're just gonna think about this. So we're gonna change current left. No. Yeah, we're gonna change current left by the width of the value. My sprite width And then we're going to see if this value... Okay, so then before we place the children, we have to see if it would overflow. If so, we got to reset everything. Okay, so we got to have a greater than, and then we're going to have this situation, but instead of this, we're going to have the parents, right? I feel so awake right now. I've been sleepy until now. And if we do...
Why are you sleepy?
Why am I sleepy or sleeping? What?
Why do you feel sleepy?
I didn't sleep well yesterday.
Oh, you're probably doing something really important.
What were you?
Richard knows what I was doing, and he knows it wasn't important. Okay, if this is gonna be too big, then we're gonna reset the thing to be current left, and then so let's have a variable. No, we're gonna have all the children be the same. No, that's not possible. Okay, we're gonna have a variable that's gonna be like max height item in this row so far. It's gonna be 0. And then we're gonna change the current top to be max height item in this row so far. But this is useless right now because it's not doing anything. So next we're going to do set this value to be the max of this variable, which I'm going to put in the second value because it's too long, and the height of the value.
Don't worry. Max height is on the case.
Okay. Whoa! It works! It just works.
Nice!
We should add in a padding
Nice.
variable. No, this is enough for now. Now, what else? Do I want to make another div? Okay, secret div. What's that? Hey? Why was he a horse?
Oh, you sounded like a horse.
Oh, nice?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, so you know what's fun to do?
Yeah.
Say your name like a horse.
Vivian.
Sure.
How'd you learn that, Richard?
There's an Adventure Time episode with a character named James Baxter.
And then you just tried it with your own name?
Yeah.
Because I've seen the episode too, but I was never like, you know what I should do? Say mine. Pretend to James Baxter cosplay, but as Vivian Lee.
Yeah, and we haven't heard you do it yet.
Shannon.
Perfect. See, it works with anything.
Mm-hmm. I'm upset.
It's the MakeCode. Okay.
Somebody help me. I want to give the arcade sprite data, which is an array of its children.
It's helping.
Whoa, that's a cute watermelon.
Yeah, I thought that maybe seeing a watermelon would put you in the right mood.
Do I have to use arcade block object? Is that
Sorry, what are you trying to do again?
I want to have an array of children for each div, you know?
Yes. The other way you can do it, but it's not the best, is you can just store the string as like child 1, child 2, child 3, child 4, and use a join block.
Trying to think if there's a good way we could do with no kinds, because then the overlap stuff would be a pain. And okay, let's just do arcade block object. This is what it was meant to do, right?
Yep. Okay.
Child count. And then do the string of okay, okay. Be Rhinol arcade block object.
That's a quarter.
Yeah.
What is it just block objects? Is it sprite objects?
It's Microsoft.
Uh-huh.
/arcade -blocks -objects, I think.
I was so close. I'll remember this forever. That's 1/4. We have decided.
I think chat has spoken.
Do we let chat just decide everything about our lives? Chat, demand something ridiculous of Richard, please.
We let it decide it when they're giving you more quarters.
Okay, that's fine. Only because Richard is so aggressively in the lead. Okay, so we're going to make a new block object. And then we're going to store the empty object on the new div. Have I used this before?
Vivian, the category add things I'm drawing is going to be totally incomprehensible.
Oh my
I'm telling you right now.
Okay. This is high pressure now because we have things that need to be received, and if this doesn't work, it's going to be terrible. So I'm very motivated.
No, it's okay, because if you never see them, then nobody has to see them.
No, I need to see them. Richard, should I initialize this to be an empty array? Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll get the object stored on new div. Should I just make a new variable to store this new object? Probably. But children, this is excellent. This is exactly how they do it in HTML. I'm sure of it. Put item in div.
Well, why do I look weird on stream now?
What do you mean, why do you look weird? Oh.
I'm in widescreen.
Why'd you do that, Richard? Stop it. Fit to frame? Fill frame. I fixed it. That wasn't my fault, though. You did that to yourself. Okay, so we're gonna get
What's up, Shannon?
What?
Shannon, what's going on?
What's going on?
Edge crashed and took my project with it. But this is fine. We'll recover. I won't do it in incognito this time.
Shannon, why do you always do it in incognito?
I don't know. It cleans up after itself.
This is so disappointing. Okay, so we're going to get this object that we put on the div. Okay, and then what we're going to add to the end is this new item. These types will work out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put all the items that we've created into this question mark div. But we're not doing with anything with it yet. So I'm not going to be confused. No confusion today. Put item in div.
So, to clarify, Shannon prefers to do things in an incognito tab. Which is why that happened. It wasn't just usual run-of-the-mill MakeCode losing stuff.
Yes, if I had not been in an incognito tab, which none of you guys should be in, clearly, I would have been able to reopen the browser and have my project still be there.
It's probably better than what I do, which is, just make a bunch of trash projects in my main arcade, and then I can never find the projects I care about.
Hey, that's what I do too.
It's a problem. What's going on here? Call make div. Oh, it's because I'm making this every time. Let's just put this in a variable.
Oh no, Onsite Arduino lost all their projects.
Poor Qua.
Yeah, what happened?
Okay, are you guys ready for this big brain moment?
Wait. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, we're going to position children, and then the parent is going to be the div, and then the children is going to be the array of the stuff is going to be the children. It's going to just work. Z indexes, I hope. If it's not Z indexes, we're going to have to, warm up the brains.
All right.
Start warming them up. Hopefully.
Yeah, I'm hitting the defrost button on my brain.
Thank you. Maybe I make a variable to be like item Z index. Just in case, item Z index. Let's put it here and let's make it like 10. And let's use that item Z index. Is it just building up suspense? Okay, work. No. Okay. What's going on here? It's not a quarter. It just doesn't work. That's allowed. We're allowed to make mistakes.
Yeah. No, look. I'm on your side usually.
Yeah.
But this is not a quarter.
Okay. Wait, all their projects? That's tough. Okay. Get objects stored on div. Does this have to be reset onto the block object?
Does what have to be reset onto the block object?
So I made this array.
If you add a value to the end, you'll be fine.
Okay. So we should see where these items are going. What if I don't put the items in the div? Am I making these still? Am I still making the children? Oh, yes, I'm making them here. What if I get rid of this? Will it work with the Z index? The children are just gone.
No, we have to find them.
The children.
Children?
No. Where are they? What if I'm... This is... Okay. Add item, Z index, return item. Shouldn't that just appear over everybody else regardless? Am I setting Z accidentally somewhere? I guess we'll make the divs a Z too, for thoroughness.
Ferocity.
Yes. Div Z index. It's gonna be 1. Gonna put this function back in before I owe a quarter. Okay, make div. We're gonna set the Z, new div, Z to be my variable. Shannon, are you too broken up about your project loss to remake it?
No, I'm going.
Okay, good, great.
I am mid remaking.
Phew.
Luckily, and this is something that a lot of you might not know about Shannon, she has perfect pixel art memory recall.
I don't like to advertise it. It's not a party trick, Richard.
Wow, Richard.
I'm sorry.
Is it because of my big screen sprite? Is that why? Surely not. These are transparent pixels. Okay, let's set this screen to be invisible. Okay, let's set everything to be invisible except the items. That's what we're gonna do. The screen. Wait, this is not how you set things to be invisible.
How do you set things to be invisible, Vivian?
You go like this, and then you find invisible, and you say on. And then we're also gonna loop over everybody. It's because of the way I'm positioning. Oh, okay, well, one thing is happening is we need to do this. Okay, the way we position things is gonna have to be thoughtful. Okay, but in the meantime, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this, we're gonna make all of these guys invisible too. And then hopefully it'll work. Okay. Curious.
Curiouser and curious.
Curiouser. Shouldn't the Z's just work?
Sorry, I haven't been looking at your code because I've been drawing stuff.
Okay, I'm like, get rid of this position children. I'm going uninvisible this. Maybe I'm positioning them really far away. Maybe that's it. Okay. If I don't position the children, they should just get object, add value item to the end. Okay, don't add any items in the div. I just want to see my fruits and my...
All right, where are you setting the z index? So the item z index is 10. Where are you setting it?
I'm setting it here. And then make div, please say use the right div z index.
Okay. And then this add item function, where are you calling that?
Put item in div. I was calling it... Oh.
No, there's a function called add item.
Oh. Add item? Oh, here. Oh, yeah, okay, up here. This is where I'm calling it. First step.
Oh, I see. Mm-hmm. Yes, you're setting the z index after you call that function.
Thanks, Richard.
No problem.
Excellent, it works now. Okay, let's get rid of this. And then we have all the items. We're putting them in the question mark div. Okay, now let's position the children. Get rid of this.
I was like pretty sure that's what it was, just because we do that so often. That should be another quarter thing.
That a quarter for you? It should be a star for you. What? Oh, it should earn you quarters. I see.
Yeah.
I was like,
we do that super often, right?
Okay, maybe I should add a variable here that's like, okay, edit function. Should this be margin or padding? Margin left.
Sorry, these images are 16 by 16, right?
Yeah, but if you want, we can code it to be different.
Nah, it's all right. We'll make it work.
Okay. And then also, I've just realized that this should be 0, reset to 0 in here. Okay. So then when we call position children, we can do the margin to be the width of the tier list thing.
And how many items do you have reconstructed?
3.
3.
How many do you have?
Let's see. I've got 4, and I'm working on a 5th.
Okay. This is going to look incredible. This is... Okay, so left... Oh, current left... This needs to be reset here to be this. Well, actually, that doesn't make sense. Okay, current left is going to be the parent left. Oh, is this divides? It tricked me!
That's a quarter. That's a quarter now.
That's not a quarter. Since
what?
When?
We made that a quarter last time it happened.
Wait, okay, I swear. Fine.
Yes. 30 quarters.
Oh, wow. I'm just happy this is working. This is great. Okay. Oh my goodness. Time went by so quickly. Well, let's make up a new...
We got plenty of time left.
I hope so. New variable, cursor. I wanted to be the hand grabby. Do we have enough time to do all... Should this be like an extension? Just like all the mouse icons. I feel like we do this so much. Some part.
That would be an incredible sprite pack extension.
That would be a good extension also if we just had like a cursor. Yeah, so we should do a sprite pack and then maybe it adds a cursor one that has a drop down of the states.
Yeah.
Grabbing, pinching, pointing, arrow.
Hover.
I was working on a UI image
We
extension.
got a please from chat. So I think we have to do it now.
Okay, we'll
Who
do
wants-
it.
who wants- I will happily do the code if someone will do the art.
I feel like Vivian's got to do the art.
Shannon, do you not see my finger on my nose? This
What?
means
Oh.
something in this world.
We
Okay,
can
this can be-
collaborate on the art.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. This is grab hand, and we have to have open hand. That was originally supposed to be open hand, but the fingers weren't long enough. Is it a thing to have like which finger's your longest be different among people? Is that like a thing?
I think so.
Okay, cool. Wonder what
Is
it
it?
means.
Isn't
Yeah.
the middle finger always longest?
I feel like some people have like a flat top here, you know?
It's like, and also like which one of your pointer versus your
Yeah.
your whatever ring finger versus index finger is longer.
My ring finger is longer.
Ring finger is longer? Wait, really? Look at mine.
Yeah.
That's not your
Your
ring
is
finger.
also longer.
Oh, then your pointer. I was confused.
Yours looks very close though, Richard.
It's I think it's easier to. It's like slight, but
Mm-hmm.
I straighten them out. I think it's more obvious.
Probably means like, you know, you're a night owl. You like salty foods more than sweet. Something important.
Mhm.
I think it is something that people have used as like a personality test.
We'll find
What
out.
habits people used? Yeah.
We learn things on this stream. We're changing this to 70. Oh, nice. Okay. So on a button. No, let's do on game update. A regular on game update. I feel like it's been forever since I've dragged out an on game update. What if a button is pressed and we'll just deal with this for now. We're not going to see if we have like a valid thing underneath or not. Small steps, you know. If it's pressed, we're going to set the cursor image to be this. Else, if it's not pressed, we're going to have it be the open hand. We trust the users to drag around their...
I don't trust the users.
Okay. On a button pressed, we're going to find out who we're overlapping with. I feel like this is a function we've written before. Should this be a function? I feel like we always end up making this a function.
Ooh, wait. We should make this into an extension. Get sprites of kind overlapping with this sprite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kind.
Very good.
We overlap with kind. Okay. So we're going to make a variable and it's like current dragon. And then we're going to return something. So then we can put this in here. And then this is we. So we is cursor. And then if we are overlapping with kind, sorry, I forgot where kind blocks were. It's in here, I think. Here, yeah. No, that's the wrong one. Here, I think, yeah. And then what kind is it? Item. Okay.
Arcade. Right. Data.
Richard, you're too eager on the uptake here. You need to tune your threshold to be a bit, less sensitive.
All right, recalibrating.
I want to do like a most overlap overlapping situation, or maybe we should do a pointer, but we don't have time for that right now. We're just going to do the first one that overlaps with us. We're going to pick up, which is unfortunate, but okay. Can we return a null sprite? Is that going to make things angry? Let's just try it. Get value at 0 for an empty array. On A button press. Please don't be angry. Please. Thank you. It's so polite. I said please and it's like, okay. On game update, well, we already have this. If A button pressed. Oh, let's just do our and right here. This is great. And current dragon is a thing. Dragons equals dinosaurs equals true. Okay. Okay, so we're doing
It's not
this.
Equal true.
Equals true, Richard. I already said it. You can't.
Dinosaurs are real?
You show me a dinosaur that can fly like a oh wait. You show me a dinosaur with teeth like oh wait. You show me a dinosaur with scales like oh wait.
QED, Richard. QED. I'm so glad, you know. The one thing that I think might be false is the fire situation. But we don't know. They could have been breathing fire.
Who's to say?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, we're so close. On B or on A button released, we're gonna find a variable. What variable is it gonna be? The div we are. No, Richard. What happened to the tuning?
Sorry, recalibrating again.
Thank you. Okay, and we're going to use our function again. We have excellent functions today. I'm not even, sad about saying that, even though I'm the one who wrote the functions. I'm proud of my functions. Okay, so first we got to see if we're currently dragging something. If true, then we want to see who we are overlapping with. Kind, tier div, and then we're going to call our other function. It's all coming together. Put item in div, and item is the first word in this function, so that must be the first variable. Wait, no, this is the div we are overlapping with, and then current dragon. Then we got to set current dragon to be non-existent. Dragons aren't real.
Guys, Vivian is so happy that she named this dragon.
It's excellent. Hi, Cat the Gauge Plays. We're making excellent code today. What a great day to tune in. Okay, so then after... Oh, wait. This should just work. Question mark?
You never say that on Days I code.
Ooh. Maybe we should fix the code to be the one that you're most overlapping with. Okay, we only have 14 minutes, so maybe we do the hover behavior first, and then we'll do it. Yeah, okay.
You make a 1 pixel overlap sprite, put it in the center of the cursor.
But it's also the dropping the thing into the right tier, because right now it'll just go into the toppest one it's touching, like this. But it should go in the one it's touching most with.
Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm. Richard, these functions are extensible. Work in all possible situations.
Sorry, should our things that you're be sorting be squares?
What?
Should they be squares like you did there?
They're being drawn onto a square, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry. And we can even change the code to change the sizes of the images. It's all possible. Sort them alphabetically. The items? Ow.
Wait, do you mean that... Oh, I don't think we're going to do that. We only got 13 minutes left.
Okay. Now we're going to do a new variable. We are overlapping with this item. Variable names are not concise today. I will say that. Cursor, and then item, Copy. And then we're going to have it say its name, like a Pokemon. Maybe I should check to see. What happens if I call this on a null thing? Will it break?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, I'll just throw this in a if check. If this thing is real, like magic. We're going to get the value as a string. We are overlapping with this. The nice thing about having some long items is that it's easy to pick out of the list. And I even remember that I named this alt text. Incredible. Because you have a name. Actually, don't, because you usually slot it in between slap two. Yeah. I think so. Chair. Oh, okay. Let's also have it say it for like a quick second. 100 milliseconds.
And how many things do you have now?
6.
Wait, should I import your stuff or should I rewrite my overlap with kind function?
As long as we have time to
Okay.
import stuff at the
I'm
end.
gonna do it quick, I guess. Oh wait, how do I do it? How do I see if how many pixels overlap? I have to see the width, the position. It's gonna be some position math. It's gonna be Richard, do you want to help me write this code? If not, I don't want to do it.
Sorry, what are you trying to do?
Just count how many pixels are overlapping with each other. It's gonna do something.
Okay. And how tall are your categories?
I have that in a variable. Cause,
You have it in a variable. Okay,
Yeah.
so then you just want to take the top, and then do figure out like that minus.
Oh.
I think you should be able to do it with a mod.
Okay, we'll do a hacky version of it. Do we want to? Okay, yeah, let's do that. Function. We'll just put in a function. We'll fix it later. Count. Overlapping.
You just want to do the top with a mod, and you want to do the bottom with a mod. Okay, and that gives you the two.
Yeah.
Because that'll give you how much the overlapping is on the bottom, and how much overlapping is on the top is going to be the height minus that.
Top
That'll
and
give you
bottom of what?
The category, right? So you know how tall the categories are, right?
Yeah.
So when you drop it, the place where each category begins is going to be a multiple of however that height is.
Yeah, but
right?
my dream for
So
this. Yeah.
It's going to be really simple code. Okay.
Okay,
So all you have to
fine.
do is you do a mod of the top of the sprite, a mod of the bottom of the sprite, and then compare those two with the height of the category.
Oh, okay, and then we'll multiply it with like 16.
Well, and then it'll tell you if it should go up or down.
Okay. Okay. We'll just do the difference between the bottom of the div and the top.
Just listen to my voice. Just listen to my voice.
Okay.
All right. You want to take the sprite, and you want to do a mod on the height of the divs. Sorry, I lost my call, so I'm watching you on the stream, which is delayed.
Okay, wait. Can I try my version first, and then we'll see if it's bad?
Yep. Sorry, you go for it.
Okay. Cause okay. Cause the delay between my brain is too much with Richard, something like that. Okay, but instead of so you have the item's top. Oh, I see, because sometimes they'll be overlapping with the bottom. Okay, Richard, I'll follow the sound of your voice.
All right. So all you want to do is you want to do the remainder of the top divided by the div height.
What top of what?
Top of the item you're dropping.
Okay. Item. And then the div. Wait, like this? The remainder of this?
Like that, yeah.
Okay.
And now you want to subtract that from the div height. So you want to do div height minus that. Because when we're overlapping from the top, the amount of overlap is actually the opposite.
Okay, and we'll do this times 16. We'll return this.
No, you don't need to do times 16. So, oh,
To count the number of pixels?
right. So we're not counting the overlapping pixels. We're doing it a different way.
Oh. Okay, we'll just do this and we'll fix this code later to be like
So where are you?
We'll see. Max num pixels overlap. Okay, this is going to be 0 at the beginning, and then most overlapping to be nothing.
All right, Shannon, paste yours in chat, and then I'll paste mine in chat.
Oh, good idea. Yeah. We'll return most overlapping all the time, and then we'll if it's greater than max pixels num overlaps. What is it? We got to call our function, count overlapping pixels, and then left is div. This isn't gonna work. Okay, we're undoing everything.
Okay, so here's my pitch. All right.
Yeah.
So take that thing that we just coded, the div height minus the remainder of the top.
Yeah.
All right. You're going to put that in the left side of your comparison.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now in the right side of your comparison, you're going to do just the remainder part, not the minus.
But we're not always comparing div heights.
Don't worry.
Okay. Uh-huh.
And then you're going to change that to be bottom.
Wait, this to be bottom?
Yes. This is the code when you drop it, right?
Yeah. And also pick it up?
Okay. All right. So they're currently overlapping with 2 of them, right? That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess what this is telling you is it overlapping with the higher up one, or is it overlapping with the lower down one?
But sometimes it's like a left and right situation too, like this.
Why don't you just do a 1 pixel overlaps? And I still don't know why we're not doing that. 1 pixel sprite.
Because I don't want to. I want to do this right, Richard. We're just gonna leave this the way it was before for now, and then I'll fix it later. Don't worry. I'll do it properly with like the positions and stuff, and like the minus and the pixels. And don't you at home worry your pretty little heart. We'll get it done.
All right. Can we spend the rest of the time doing our art?
Yeah, that's more important right now. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take this tier list and we're gonna make new tier lists. Who's up first? Shannon. Oh my gosh. There's so many items. Okay, let's see. First up, we have a jar with a lid. Next up. Oi. Excuse me. What? Okay, sorry. I just opened up our stream. Next up, we have... Oh. Is it containers?
It is containers.
Okay, what should I name these?
Oh, this is mason jar.
Mason jar. Okay, what's this?
Cardboard box.
Cardboard box. Oh my goodness. Is Joey's change going to make this? Oh. Maybe I'll follow Bug.
Yeah.
Next up, we have jam jar?
Oh, it's one of those red Tupperwares.
Ooh, okay. Should I put it in Tupperware?
Yeah.
Tupperware. That's not how you spell Tupperware.
From this point on, I was like, no one is going to be able to tell what any of these are if they're not labeled. But
Oh man, the first two, iconic.
instead of putting them into the thing, why not just copy and paste them out there, and then we'll be able to like not have to deal with the function cleanup.
Won't we still have to?
You will when you put them in, but you could just paste them a bunch of times now and then drag them in after the stream. And
Oh,
not have to delete
I see.
function
Okay.
every time.
We don't want to rate them as what's this? What's this?
This is like one of those big plastic tubs.
Oh, bin.
Things on the side. Yeah, bin.
Yeah. Why is Teams doing this to me? I don't understand. Keeps on closing itself. Okay, wait, I lost track. Please, Teams. I just want to see art. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bucket. Iconic. Bucket.
It is iconic.
Is this basket?
Oh, from the silhouette.
Yes, very identifiable, Shannon. I have no idea what you were talking about. Sorry, my team keeps on trying to trick me and run away. I'm just like, no, please let me copy.
Oh, wait, I got it. So you want to make a new, there's more.
Oh, yeah. Shannon has been doing work. Wait, was that last one suitcase or is it a carrying case?
Yeah, like a briefcase maybe?
Oh, briefcase. I thought suitcase, but then I saw the next one. I'm like,
Yeah.
This is so pretty. Suitcase. Okay. Now for Richards. I wish we could rate them on stream. That'd be fun. Okay, what do you guys think? Okay, my prediction for Richards is monsters.
I already know what Richards is.
Really?
Well, we synced up so as not to overlap.
Oh, okay. Sure. Very sensible. First up. Oh! Octopus?
Yep.
Octopus. Scroll. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Please. Teams keeps on scrolling me back to our tier list from yesterday, and I'm like, no, we have moved on, but they're like, no, we haven't.
Go into your personal chat with me, and I'll send them one at a time.
Okay, you send. Oh, okay. It's.
Oh.
I'm willing to give it one more chance. Coral.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not personal chat, Richard. Here we go. I'll copy this a few more times. Is this jellyfish?
Yeah.
Jellyfish. That's not how you spell jellyfish. Fish. Next up is a dancing man.
Oh, it's a nudibranch.
The sea butterfly.
I'm gonna write sea butterfly because I don't know how to spell whatever. Okay, what? Oh, wait. Please. Wait, Richard, I haven't copied the last one yet. Okay, here we go. Now we have crab.
Oh, look at that guy.
Richard,
Yeah, it's a crab.
Okay, I'm not as versed in sea creatures as you because I feel like before you were like, obviously this is this kind of crab. Everybody knows this. I'm like, I did not know that. Did I copy this? No, I didn't. Please. Richard, our messages are doing the same thing too.
James has been doing this to me too.
Pain. Ooh, pufferfish!
Oh, it's so little.
Pufferfish. PSI on it. This is a snail for sure. Wait, your guys' tier lists are so thorough and incredible. Is it a sea snail or is it just a snail?
Yeah, like a sea snail.
Oh, sea snail. Sure. Sea snail.
There's just one left.
Oh, this is a sea llama. A boot. Boot.
Boot.
Yep.
Boot. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm going to post these tier lists afterwards for you to rank at home, and we need to hear where these fall on your personal list. Plus, yeah, it'll be great. So thanks for everybody for watching. Hope you learned things about HTML. This has been a very scientific stream. My name is Vivian. Oh, also we have a new help desk thread on the forums right now. So if you have any questions that you want to ask us, type it in and then we'll answer them next week on Friday. So my name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
Oh no, my beakers are overflowing. The titration is ruined. I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon. I'm not following the thread of this bit, but I'm Shakal on the
Science,
MakeCode
it's a
forums.
very scientific stream.
Oh, I said that and I didn't even know where titration came from. Okay, cool. We'll do titration on Monday. See you guys then. Bye.
I don't like him.